Hi guys, now this is a Relance slow juicer. Now there is a possibility sometimes that this thing got stuck because of over stuff inside, and and this you cannot move it. You cannot move it to release and remove it. Don't try and twist this all together. Alright, the first thing you should do is you can release it from the side here. There are 3 screws at the bottom which you need to remove first in order to lift it up. Do not twist it if this is stuck, right? So this is what you should do. You need a long screwdriver and a light to see what is inside there. Loosen the 3 screws. That's one. That's 2. Yeah, that's 3. Okay. Now what I said that you cannot twist the whole thing. So what you should do is after you release the 3 screws, take it up, and now you can pull this upward. Alright. The reason why you cannot turn the whole things, twist the whole things, is that because they have this permanent pose here in which goes into the hole, so you cannot twist it all together. Alright, so after you remove the clog, you can clean it, put it back, and then put the cover, and then tighten the screw from the bottom, and that will solve your problem. Do not twist this all around. So that's one way not to break this unit, because this is a little bit expensive. It cost I think $250. So the problem with this is this, because it has got stuck too much, and so this was already burned. Okay, you see the circuit, it was already burned, so I have to reconstruct the circuit itself, the varistor, the resistor, and this capacitor here. That was the one. The varistor is the one that protect the circuit, so that when there is some trouble, it will not goes on. It will not destroy like the motor, and it will first pass from the side, burn down the varistor and the resistor and the fuse, and this time the fuse does not blows up. It's a 6.5 amperes, so I think I'm gonna change it into a 5 amperes just in case. Alright, so this is the one to change, and burn varistor and resistor.